Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Roblox password on mobile in 2023. So just load up the Roblox application and then click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Then from here we need to go to settings, so just scroll down until you see settings and press on settings. And then right here where it says account info, we need to select this option, the first one. Then this should load up all of your account information, and as you can see right here we have little stars in the shape of our password. And if we want to change our password, all we have to do is press on the sheet of paper with the pencil icon right here, the third one, and then here we need to type our current password as well as our new password twice. So that's how you change your Roblox password on mobile in 2023. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.